Hey everyone, today we're solving a word problem involving sets and percentages. Let's go through it step by step. Read the question. Now, let's draw a table and fill it out step by step. We have smartphones, tablets, and their total. All of the devices are either brand X or brand Y. Now we have 100% of gadgets in total. 25% are smartphones and 75% are tablets. Also, half of all gadgets are brand X, meaning 0.5 times 100 equals 50 brand X devices, and the other 50 are brand Y devices. We know that 10 gadgets are both smartphones and brand X. Since there are 50 brand X devices in total, and 10 of those are smartphones, the remaining brand X devices must be tablets. So the number of brand X tablets is 50 minus 10 equals 40. Since there are 75 tablets in total and 40 of them are brand X tablets, the rest must be brand Y tablets. So 75 minus 40 equals 35 tablets that are brand Y. Therefore, the correct answer is option D. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more math practice. See you next time.